Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is April 5th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, let's take a look at this market. You're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. They are trading lower today by 16 3/4 points. Markets are taking a little bit of a hit. They are under pressure, but we've seen this before. When the markets are down, they seem to always rally back on the back of some Fed comments or something like that, some economic data. So we'll see how today plays out. But right now, before the opening bell, we are seeing a market under pressure. Europe is also under pressure. You have pretty much all of the major European indexes down by about 2% or more. Last night we did have Japan down another 2.5%. That economy continues to struggle, and you see that stock market, the Nikkei 225, continuing to be under pressure. All right, let's take a look here at some stocks in the news today, because that's where the money is going to be made. First stock we're going to look at today is Tesla. It looks like Tesla is trading down sharply this morning. It looks like yesterday afternoon after the closing bell, it looks like they did not sell as many cars as forecasted. So again, Tesla is selling off. Stock closed at $246.99 yesterday. It is trading at $238.40. A level that I see for Tesla today that I would get interested in for an intraday scalp bounce would probably be around 228. But that's still another 10 points lower from where we are right now. So we'll see exactly how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Keep the level on the radar. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see where we go. But Tesla is coming under a little bit of pressure today. That's been a big winner as of late. Next one on our radar is going to be AGN, which is Allergen. They were in a merger deal with Pfizer. Looks like the Treasury has done something with their tax inversion. So they were going to strike a merger with Pfizer, and it looks like there's a Treasury inversion regulation that's coming up, and that is causing a big sell-off in the stock. Stock closed at $277.92 yesterday. It is now trading at $225, so that's a pretty dramatic decline here, and we'll see how this one plays out. It's not much I'm looking to do with it right now. The structure of the deal is a little bit complex, so I haven't really been able to isolate any levels here. So we'll see where it goes. One level I definitely would get interested in would be $200 if it got down there. So keep that on the radar. That's the only level that I'm seeing this morning right off the bat. Let's take a look at Pfizer. Pfizer on the news is trading at $31.32. They also had some drug news out today, so that stock is holding up well, having no ill effect. It looks like Allergen is the one stock that is getting hit by that tax inversion. All right, let's take a look at Toyota Motor. Japan was down again. Toyota right now is trading at $97.91. It was even lower earlier. Watch the $88 level. If it gets there, that would be a spot for Toyota, in my opinion, for a bounce play. Let's take a look at BHP Billiton. This is coming under pressure again. Almost every day we see this thing gapping up or gapping down. Today it's gapping down. Right now trading at $23.85. There is going to be some short-term support around 23. Keep that on the radar, but that may not last all day. Let's take a look at some of these European bank stocks. Deutsche Bank is trading decently lower. Stock closed at $16.74 yesterday. It is now trading at $16.10. European banks are in trouble. Let's take a look at Credit Suisse. You're going to see this one trading at $13.49, closed at $14 yesterday. This is an ugly move. It breaks through 13 on a daily chart close. That could be problematic going forward. Let's take a look at UBS. And what you're going to see here is this is trading at $15.03, closed at $15.54, and again, this is sinking as well. So we have a lot of the leading European bank stocks under pressure this morning. We'll see how this one plays out once the opening bell rings. We will be watching this closely. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing. Another good day yesterday. Let's take a look here at WBA. And what you're going to see here is this is Walgreens Boots Alliance, better known as Walgreens Drugs. And the stock right now is trading at $85.10, closed at $86.31. So Walgreens is trading down. There is going to be some support around the $82 area, maybe $82.10. So keep that level on the radar today. Let's take a look at DRI, which is good old Darden Restaurants. They reported earnings as well. It looks like right now the stock is trading at $67.30, closed at $67.34. So there's really no change from yesterday's close, although we do see a lot of whips here, but there really is no change. So this one will be on the radar once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Disney. Looks like their COO has left the company, and right now the stock closed at $98.68. It's trading at $96.69. So getting hit a little bit on the news. I still think the 93 level for Disney is a very, very good spot. So if we do get down to 93, I think traders can look to pick it up there for a scalp trade today. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how that plays out. All right, we have lots of other stocks moving, but this is all we're covering today. Let's get right into the gold market. Gold is trading up today by $18.30. So that's a pretty big move in gold, and you can see people are running to gold for safety. So big pop in gold. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading all the way at 118.12. So great little move there for the gold market. And that's even with a stronger dollar, so that's pretty interesting. Crude oil is trading down 33 cents to $35.37 a barrel. Crude oil under a little bit of pressure this week and last, so that has retreated from above 40 back down to around the $35 area. Again, that will weigh on the energy stocks this morning, so keep that on the radar. All right, everyone, if you want to come alongside and trade with us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. We're having a great 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going this morning. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.